You can't go wrong with a really good potato salad. And I'm going to share my tips and tricks to making it absolutely delicious. This one I did last weekend and my friends loved it because I added some tuna to it. So it really is a whole meal in itself. Now we need to cook the potatoes first. So you want to start with some cold water. And I love to use these cute little baby potatoes because they cook much faster. Always start with cold water because you want them to cook evenly. So not into boiling water. And you'll need about 750 grams to a kilo of these baby potatoes. They're washed and I leave the skin on because there's loads of flavour in the skin. So these are going to come to the boil. I'm going to cook them for about 10 to 15 minutes or until they're tender. Nothing worse than an undercooked potato, so cook them really well. Now while they're cooking, let's get onto the sauce, and this is a creamy mayonnaise sauce. So into a large bowl, I'll add some mayonnaise. You can make it yourself or just use a really good quality store-bought mayonnaise. And you can see I'm not stingy on the mayonnaise. You want quite a lot of it. Also, some sour cream for a little tang. Want a few tablespoons of that. 1, 2. Okay. I'll also add some Dijon mustard for some piquancy, about a tablespoon. And for some extra zing, just some vinegar, and I'm using some red wine vinegar. At this stage, I also like to add some French shallot. Now, French shallot is milder than your classic onion. They're slightly sweet too, so that's why I like to add them. And I mix them in with the mayonnaise to really flavour it. So give that a good whisk. And it looks like quite a lot of sauce, but you can imagine as this mixes through the potatoes like sponges, so they're going to soak up all that yummy sauce, making this the best potato salad ever. I'll also season it with a pinch of salt and some freshly cracked pepper. Okay, sauce is done. I'll pop that to one side and we'll just prepare the rest of the ingredients. So I've got some dill pickles here. You can use cornichon if you like, but kind of like the real acidic flavour of these. And again, I'm just going to cut them into the same size as the French shallot. So just cut them into strips like this, pile them up, and then finely slice them. And after I've done these, I'm just going to pop them into a pile, and I'll also chop some herbs to go into this too. I've got a combination of dill, parsley, and some chives. The perfect trilogy for this potato salad. Okay, the potatoes are cooked, I've drained them, and they're still really hot. And I think this is the difference between a standard potato salad and a really good one. You want your potatoes to still be hot as you mix it through the tuna and the sauce because it just tastes so much better. Don't chill your potato salad, and if you do, if you're making it ahead of time, bring it out of the fridge at least an hour before serving it. A cold potato salad loses its beautiful characteristics, so that's my little tip for the day. So because these potatoes are so small, I'm just cutting them in half. And as you can see, I've just left the skin on. So they can go into our mayonnaise mixture. And we'll add our dill pickles now. And I'm just going to reserve about a tablespoon for the garnish. See, I love my pickles. And the tuna. I'm going to flake the tuna in with a fork. And I really like to use tuna that's in spring water. I don't want to use a tuna that's in oil because we've got the mayonnaise in there. So this one's just right for it. And I just love the little speckles of it. It's so delicious. Now, usually with a potato salad, you'd put some bacon through it, but I think the tuna is an absolutely lovely alternative. Okay. Now I can add the herbs, and I have reserved some for the garnish later on too, and a big handful of them that have been finely chopped. And with a big spoon, fold everything together. Oh, look at that. So good. Now, ideally, you want this to rest for about 5 minutes, just so the potatoes have some time to absorb all of the flavours in that bowl. By the time I serve it and get on the table, it'll be just right. So into a generous bowl. Fantastic. Spread it out. We'll add some more pickles to the top. And I love the addition of eggs just to make this extra rich. And these have just been boiled for about 6 minutes. I like them to still have a little gooiness in the center, just like that. And we'll just pop them in and around the salad. And you can see I just like tearing them because I think it looks much prettier like that. Finally, some extra herbs on the top. So the dill, just let that drop over the top. I love dill potato salad. It goes so nicely with our tuna. And then some parsley too. Oh, potato salad never looked so good. Just make sure you serve it warm or room temperature. Next barbecue, take that. Your friends are going to love it.